One thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah.
Hi guys. It's a Monday. I'ma just reach in. I'm gonna start cooking. And I have to announce the winners for my giveaway. So stay tuned. We're making soup today. I'm gonna go clean up the main ingredient, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you how I make my soup. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay? Okay guys, so I got my pot on the stove. Alright, my pot on the stove, and I have some garlic in there. I'm just gonna show you. I have some garlic in there. I'm cleaning up the chicken right now. I can't sit up. I'm gonna clean up the chicken right now. So this is what this is what we will be having today. Some chicken foot soup because it's winter outside. And we need that. That's key. Major key to success in this community. So yeah, that's what's going on for now. I'm soon come back and show you when we start the process and thing, okay? Soon come. Alright guys, so when your pot is boiling up like that, that's my little garlic in there and stuff, you know. You know, you're just dropping in your chicken foot. Yeah, you just drop them in like that. And you're gonna make them cook. You know, just for a little bit. Just cooking there on their own for a little bit, you know. Yeah. Say you're not supposed to add salt, but I do add salt just a little bit, because when you add in your cock soup or your chicken foot soup or your pumpkin beef soup or whatever, that has salt in it already. But at the same time, I like my food for flavorful, you understand? So yeah, so I'm gonna leave these in there to cook. Look at it, they're already changing color so fast. Yes. So yeah, I leave that in there. So I leave that in there, and then I go and deal with the vegetable pot, which I have already cut up. So I got sweet potato, I got pumpkin, you know, to add little color and thickness to the soup, regular Irish potato, and then I have, wait there. And I have some yam. So I'm gonna put the water in there so you can see the color a little. And my water in them. And this I don't add in until my chicken foot starts to cook up a little bit. I leave my chicken foot in the pot on its own for like 30 to like 45 minutes. Yeah, something like that. 30 odd minutes, and then we start adding the things. The next thing that I would add in is these, because they're harder. They take a little bit longer to cook. So yeah, I'm gonna go start make my dumpling. Make that, you know, and then I'll come back to you guys. Alrighty then, people, we are back. This is currently what's going on right now. So this has been cooking for like a good 40 minutes now. So I'm gonna go add in my little provisions. No one to just splash out for me, sick, oh no. Alright. Godness. Alright. I'm going to take out some of my water because too much in there. But yeah, there's everything in there now. Yeah, you. Yes. So you leave that in there now, and you make that cook down a little bit, you know, until everything starts to get a little bit softer in there, you know. And then I'll tell you guys the next step, okay? Just gonna put our lid back on that and let that simmer. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been about a half an hour. I just did want one of the silicola of the soup before I add anything else in there, you know, the pumpkin or squash, whatever you want to use. It's essential because it adds color and thickness to your soup. Okay, so now that these have been boiling now, I have my corn, I have my sweet potato, I have my yam, I have my Irish, I go add in my dumpling, I'm gonna carrot them because it's time to boil this down. Now it's in the final seconds, so I'm gonna add my dumpling, I'm gonna add my carrot, my cock soup, and a scotch bonnet pepper, and make that, you know, go on for about 120 minutes or so, and then we're done. How do you guys like your dumpling in your soup? Me very sometime-ish, so me will make my roly-poly ones them like this, you know, the roly-poly ones them like so. I'll make a few like that, and then when I'm feeling fat, I'm gonna just let them round up so. We'll just leave them round so. Or we will make it like how we make regular dumpling. And then put that here. No, then there. So, wait, you're not working for me. Don't embarrass me on the vlog. Show the people them see me can't make little dumpling. Whoa, like so, yeah.
Bruise up and can't beat your pussy burning. Me alone fi fuck you, shoulda know you from your virgin. Finger yourself, me like what you do your thing. Sit down on the throne, can be a yerking. Hold on there, you no see you put a hold on me. If you no see that, then you blind. Love it when you tell me say you're mine. We a fuck and we a come and me say hold on there. You no see you put a hold on me. If you no see that, then you blind. Love it when you tell me say you're mine. We a fuck and we a. Ask me straight if me fuck me, I gotta tell the girl say me fuck by. Not because me fuck a next girl don't mean say me no fire. Girl, me not gonna lie. No, girl, me not gonna lie. No. She said you fuck say true, me say yes, babe. She said if you use boots, me say yes, babe. So now ask me again, don't tell you the truth, cause can't believe me you was. Relax one body like you in a one cabby. Me know your father, but me a your dan daddy. Me push it harder, still you never want stop it. You a ball pon the body, but you never unhappy. Me girl you never green and your pussy clean, make me push it in. Pussy clean, girl, make me push it in. You nah no disease and you know your pussy clean, so.
If only you guys could smell it. It smells so good. So yeah, I'm gonna make that cook now for like another 20-25 minutes, and then I can shut off my pot. And that's it for cooking with Zoe today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below, let me know what you'd like to see me cook next, if I can cook it. And yeah, so yeah, soon come. About to announce the first winner. Let me make this exciting, actually. Okay, so first and foremost, thank you guys. Thank you to everyone. Yes. Thank you to everyone who commented, subscribed. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. You know? So first and foremost, thank you guys. So the first winner is gonna be from the people who comment on my video the most. I don't have to shout them out, they know who they are. Big ups you guys. There's about, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 people who consistently, I know them. Like when I get that notification email, I'm like, yes, I already know who this is. Like one of them, as soon as my video drops, ding, email, comment, like it's okay. So thank you guys. So the first person to win is Let's go. Let's pick the random name winner. Okay. Wait. This is so exciting. Oh my god, I'm so excited for her. So that is the first person. Next is, I'm just gonna put in all the names that commented again, so they will even have a chance to win again because they comment all the time. And I've already checked to confirm that all these people who have commented are subscribed to my channel, are subscribed to my Facebook page or some other social medias, because not everybody apparently has Facebook, which is weird. They have to follow the rules and regulations, you know? Okay, I'm almost done, you guys. I'm almost done. Oh my god. It's so funny. It's so funny because it's like all of these people who I'm putting in that commented are literally almost legit the same people that were just in the other one. Yeah, all right. So for this one, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 people. All right, so let's see who won the second. Oh, shoot! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy for these two, like, wow, that's amazing. Okay, all right, I don't think I need to say anything for the rest of the video. I just want to again thank everyone who took the time out to like, comment, subscribe on any of my videos that I have ever posted. It's like 200 and something videos now, I think. So yeah, and I'm excited for what's to come. So the winners of my 1,000 subscribers giveaway are and the second one, so Tamara and V Baby, please contact me. I'll leave my email below. Contact me and yeah, I'll get in contact with you guys and let you guys know how you guys will get your stuff, you know, get each other's information and stuff. I'm so excited. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Give me girl, I'm rumming on me hand, every day is Christmas.